Feeling overwhelmed by your projects? Let's tame the chaos and get organized with Basecamp. First, log into your Basecamp account and navigate to the specific project you want to work on. You can find your project listed under the Projects tab on the main dashboard. Once you're in your project, look for the To-Dos tab. It's usually located in the main navigation menu of the project page. Click on it. Now you'll see your existing to-do lists, or if it's a new project, an empty page. Click the New To-Do List button if you want to create a group of related tasks. Alternatively, if you just need to add a single task, look for a New To-Do or a similar button, often found at the bottom of the existing list or as a standalone option. Okay, now the important part. A form will pop up where you can enter all the details of your task. Start by giving your to-do a clear and concise description in the What Needs to Be Done field. Next, assign the task to a team member using the assignee drop-down. Choose the person responsible for completing the task. Set a deadline. Select a due date from the calendar that appears when you click the due date field. This helps keep everyone on track. Don't forget the details. Use the notes field to add any relevant information, instructions, or links that will help the assignee complete the task. Need to attach a file? Click the Add Files button to upload any necessary documents or images. Finally, double-check everything, and then click the Create This To-Do button. Voila! Your to-do is now created and visible to the team. By creating to-dos in Basecamp, you're breaking down big projects into manageable steps, improving team communication, and boosting productivity. Now go conquer those tasks.